Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so activation can proceed. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and verify the account. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or reliable cellular connection because activation communicates with Apple servers. Also set date and time to automatic and install any available iOS updates. This prevents certificate and server handshake errors. If you have a carrier SIM, keep it inserted. Those first checks eliminate common roadblocks and let Facetime attempt act. Next, you perform the hands-on fixes that usually resolve activation hangs. Start by toggling Facetime off, wait about 10 seconds, then toggle it back on so the device requests activation again. If that fails, reset network settings. Be aware you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Finally, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens and push notifications. This forces a clean registration with Apple's FaceTime activation service. To finish, confirm with your carrier that SMS and MMS activation messages are not blocked because FaceTime activation sometimes requires a silent SMS. If Wi-Fi still blocks activation, switch to cellular or another network to complete the handshake. As a last resort, back up your device, erase it, and restore from backup to clear any persistent software state issues. If things still fail, one key troubleshooting tip. Check for carrier-level restrictions or parental controls that can silently prevent activation and resolve those with your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.